Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. So in the previous class, we have learned the poem If I Had a Magic Carpet by Delilah. Today, let's see the exercises from that chapter. So I hope all of you have read the poem again and again. If you haven't, I suggest you please read the poem again and then come back to the exercises. So, which is the first question? It's a reading comprehension. You have to write T for true and F for false for these sentences given there. So, let's read the sentences one by one. Question number 1. The poet will invite her friends to share the magic carpet. Is that true or false? It is false. She is going to travel on this magic carpet around the world alone. She is going to make her friends jealous about it. Question number 2. She wants to travel on the magic carpet all alone. Is that true? Yes, it is true. We can write T there. She wants to take photos of all the places she flies to. Is it true? No, it's false. She is going to collect postcards from all the places that she is going to fly to. Question 4. She wants to collect lots of precious things when she travels. Yes, that is true. She wants to collect treasures from all the places that she is traveling to. Question 5. She wants to make everyone jealous. Is that true? Yes. She wants everyone to be jealous of her, that she has a magic carpet and she is able to travel this adventurous journey to faraway places. Now, question B. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. Question number 1. Whooshing about all on my own. Question A. What's the poet going to whoosh on? So, in the first stanza, we can read the lines. If I had a magic carpet that could travel anywhere, I would probably be quite selfish and wouldn't want to share. I would have the greatest time whooshing about all on my own, and I would collect myself a postcard from wherever I had flown. So what's the poet going to whoosh on? The poet is going to whoosh on a magic carpet. Now question B. Why does she want to be on her own? The poet enjoys being on her own and she would also have fun making her friends jealous. Question number 2. And when I had finished flying about. Question A. Where did she fly and what did she see? So in the second stanza of the poem, we can read the lines. Across the sea, I would travel first and see some exciting places. I would travel oh so quietly without leaving any traces. And when I had finished flying about and collecting lots of treasure, over your house I would hover and take the greatest pleasure. So where did she fly and what did she see? The poet flew across the seas and saw some exciting places. Now question B. Where is she going next? The poet is going to go over her friend's house. Question 3. And I would stick my tongue right out. Question A. Where is the poet now? So, in the second stanza, we can read the lines. Over your house I would hover and take the greatest pleasure. And it continues to the third stanza. In tapping on your window and I would stick my tongue right out. Oh, you would be so very jealous of all my flying about. So, where is the poet now? The poet is tapping at her friend's window. Now, question B. Who is she sticking her tongue out at? The poet is sticking her tongue out at a friend. Now, the next section of exercise, it's about values and life skills, and this one is talking about giving respect to others. There are 2 questions given there. Question A. Imagine that the poet hovered on a magic carpet outside your window and stuck her tongue out at you. How would you feel? So just like which is asked in the question, if the poet had come outside my window and tried to make me jealous and stick her tongue out at me, I would also feel that if I had a magic carpet, I would also be able to go see the world, travel anywhere just like her. but at the same time, I would also feel very bad and insulted that she is sticking out her tongue at me. So there is a question given there. Question B, have you ever stuck your tongue out at a friend? How did you feel? How did your friend feel? If you haven't ever done that, it's really nice of you. But if you ever have done that at someone, how did that friend feel and how did you feel? You can imagine that. You can make a note of it in your notebook. You can do this like an activity, like a writing activity. Now, let's move on to the next set of exercises. It's the vocabulary section. So before that, let's learn something new today. Compound words. What do you mean by compound words? So when you combine two words and use it as a single word, you call that as a compound word. Just like the examples given in your textbook in page number 75. You see the words given there, the examples given there. When you combine post and card, you get the word postcard. When you combine sun and shine, you get sunshine. When you combine any and where, you say anywhere. And similar to that, when you combine base and ball, you call it baseball. Basket, ball, basketball. Rain, fall, rainfall. So these are some examples of compound words. Now in page number 76, you can see this page. This one you can do as an activity now. Make new compound words using the given clues. One has been done for you. So you are given clues with pictures in these questions. For example, one is given there. Question number 5. The word water is given and you can see the picture of a melon there. When you combine these, you get the word watermelon. So similar to this, you are given clues for the other 7 questions. You can do this as an activity. You have to make compound words using the given clues. Pause this video, finish writing the words and come back. Hope you are done with that activity. Now let's check the answers. Question number 1, you have the word given camp there and you have the picture of fire there. So when you compare these, you get the word campfire. Question 2, you have the picture of sun and flower there. So sun, flower, sunflower. 3, you have the picture of a rattle and then a snake. Rattle, snake, rattlesnake. 4, you have the word butter given there and the picture of a fly. So butter plus fly, butterfly. And 5, it's already given there, water plus melon, watermelon. And 6, you have the word blue and you have the picture of berry there. So when you combine, blueberry, blueberry. Next 7, you have the picture of grass plus the word hopper given there. So grass, hopper, grasshopper. Now question 8, you have the picture of rain and a bow. Rain, bow, rainbow. I hope you got all the words correct. That was fun, right? Now let's move on to the next set of exercise. It's a speaking exercise and it's about using apostrophe to shorten words which make them easier to read. So we have already learned about how to use apostrophe to shorten words so that it makes it easy to read the words. In which chapter? In the previous chapter, Peter has a great laugh, where we learned about Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox. So I hope you remember those lessons. So similar to that, let's see what is given here. Imagine you had a magic carpet. You and your partner will have to decide 3 places that you will visit. With your partner, practice these questions and answers. So imagine that you have a magic carpet and you and your partner or your friend or your brother or sister is going to decide 3 places that you will visit on this magic carpet. So you are going to ask a few questions between yourselves regarding the trip. So let's see. You can ask questions like, will we go to Agra? And you can reply like, yes, we are going to see the Taj Mahal. So the Taj Mahal is in Agra. And you see the word given here, we are, it's the shortened form of we are. So you remove the space between we and are and also the letter A, and there you inserted the apostrophe to shorten the word like this. It's the same as we are. So here the shortened form is used and it's easier to read when you're reading the sentence. So let's continue reading the other questions and answers. Are we going to see the Charminar? Then you can reply like, no, we are not. Which 3 places are we traveling to? And you can reply like, or you can decide on the places we are going to these and these places. What are we going to see? You can do research on what are you going to see at these places and you can answer accordingly. We are going to see these and these. So this is one exercise that will help strengthen your speaking skills. I suggest you can do this with your friends or family. Let's see the next section of exercise. It's a writing section. It's about making an invitation card. Imagine you are the girl from the poem. You have decided to visit a new place. Now, make an invitation card with details about travel plans for friends who would like to travel with you. Read the sample invitation card given on the right. The following information is given in an invitation card: event or reason for the party or event, birthday or anniversary, day and date of the party or event, time and place where the party or event will take place, name and contact number of the person to be contacted for more information. You can see a sample invitation given here. I'm sure all of you have seen invitation cards. And in an invitation card, which are the details that you would usually see? You'll see for what reason or what is the event on this invitation card. What is the occasion or which is the event that you're invited to. And you will see the date and place of it. You will also see the contact number, the contact person for that event. You'll also see the time and place of the event. So similar to the invitation card given here. So imagine that you are that girl that we learned about in the poem, If I Had a Magic Carpet. Imagine that you have a magic carpet and you decided to visit a new place on this magic carpet. And you are going to invite some friends who would like to join you in the journey. So you are going to prepare this invitation card to invite the friends. You have a sample invitation card given here. You can take this as a reference and you have to prepare an invitation card imagining that you are going to a new place on this magic carpet and inviting your friends who would like to join you. You can do this as an activity and once you are done, take a picture and send us through Teams. There is one more exercise in this chapter. It's My Word Bank. Write the new words that you have learned in this poem. So you have learned a few new words in this poem. So whenever you learn a new word, make sure you note that new word in your notebook and its meaning. And you have to learn how to use that word in a sentence. You have to be thorough with the meaning, the spelling, the pronunciation, and you should also be able to use that word in a sentence. And which all words you learned as a new word in this poem that you can write in the My Word Bank activity. You can write in the space provided here. So once you're done with this, you can send a picture and send us through Teams. So children, that's all for today. We have come to the end of the chapter, If I Had a Magic Carpet. We'll see you in the next class with a new chapter. Until then, bye.